The CDRL tool homepage can be customized by selecting the Customize Dashboard button. This is located in the top right corner of the CDRL tool homepage. First, a user will need to click on the X to delete all the widgets. This will shift the widgets to the right side of the page. From there, a user can select one widget at a time and place it to the left. Using the arrow at the bottom, you can resize each widget. Once placed and resized, make sure to select Save Dashboard to retain any saved changes. From here, this will open up and display your new CDRL tool homepage.